In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can set up Google Analytics and link it to your YouTube account. So when you get to the point that you've gotten your YouTube channel created and you want to build it up, eventually you're going to want to know your sources of traffic and where your clicks, etc., and where your traffic is actually coming from. So by setting up Google Analytics, it will give you that visibility so that you can check all those terms and view the data, etc. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to analytics.google.com, and once you do that, now I've already signed in on my account here, but when you do get the chance, you will sign up. There'll be a sign in button on the corner. You just sign into that and then you sign into the relevant account. If you have a couple of Gmail accounts, you just sign in with the email that you actually want to set up the account on. So once we've signed in, eventually you'll be brought to this page here. So what you want to do is click on this button, sign up for free. So once you've clicked on that, you'll be brought to this page. You will be brought to this page, and here you're just going to enter in a few details and we'll proceed. So here you're just going to add in the name of your actual channel, and then here you can check on or check off any of these boxes if you want, but for now I'm actually just going to leave it as it is. I'm not going to touch anything else, so I'm just going to click on next. So this here is going to ask you what way do you want to measure your traffic, so for your website, apps, or different types of devices. So for here I'm just going to leave it on web. So just going to click on next. We are then brought to this next section, and here we need to add in a website name. So again, I'm just going to type in the name of my channel, and then here we need to get the website URL. So in order to do this, we actually have to come over to our YouTube channel. So I'm just going to use my channel. I'm just going to go up to the URL, press Ctrl A on the keyboard to select it, and Ctrl C, copy it. I'm going to head back over, and then we're just going to paste the URL into this box here. So then we click on it. It's going to come up saying the default URL is invalid. What this means is we just need to remove this section of the URL from the start. So once we remove that, and then just going to change this here to HTTPS, and again we just need to select a category based off what our channel is based around, and then we can just change the time zone. And then once we've actually changed all these settings, we can just click on create. So then we'll get this pop-up window, and again we just need to change the time or the country. So we just need to accept the terms and conditions. So you can read through the terms and conditions if you want to, and then when you're ready to go, just click I accept. So before we actually do proceed, just with the URL, we have to make sure that we remove the query from the end of it. It should say, like with a question mark, equals at subscriber, so we need to remove that. So once we do that, we can click on create, and then we can just accept the terms and conditions, make sure it's in the relevant country as well, and once we're happy enough, we just click I accept. So what will happen then, we will actually get this window here, so we can literally click all these here features if we want. So we can just click them all. You don't have to if you don't want to, and then when you're ready to go, we just click save. Right, okay, so then you will get access to this page here, and your tracking code is on this page. Now you'll see a load of scripts of code that's here. We don't have to worry about this for now. Now the code that we need is on this, but we don't need to copy from this section. You would only really use this script if you are embedding it on your website within your HTML code on your website. But for the moment we don't need to use this, but if whenever you do decide to set up a website, you can come back and copy this and put it into your website at a later date. But for now, even though the code is here, it's also up here on the tracking ID, so literally all we need is just this here. So you just highlight it and then just copy it, Ctrl C on the keyboard, and then what we need to do is we need to head over to our YouTube channel itself. So once we're actually on our channel section, what you need to do is you need to come down to where it says settings. Then this window will pop up. We click on channel, and then we go to advanced settings, and then we can scroll all the way down to the bottom and we click on advanced channel settings. And what it will do is it'll open up this window here where it says advanced, and this will allow you to add in some extra features and link to other accounts and so forth. And then when you scroll into the very bottom, you'll see here Google Analytics property tracking ID. All we literally need to do is just paste that in now, and then we're ready. All we have to do is just click save, and that will save our changes. Okay, so when we're brought to this page here, we literally scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we'll see this section here, Google Analytics property tracking ID, and we literally all we have to do is just paste the code or the tracking ID number into this box here, and we just click on save. So with that done, you will get this notification say your changes have been saved, and that's you ready to go. And that's your YouTube channel now linked to Google Analytics. So hopefully now you understand the process and how simple it is to get your account linked using Google Analytics. and at least it will give you some insight so that you can track where your traffic and your clicks are coming from and so forth, so that you can help to leverage what areas to really focus on to help grow your channel. So if you found this video to be helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon to be updated of future content, and feel free to share the video. Also, if you are considering wanting to start your own online business, make sure to check out that first link below this video for a simple formula that I use to help grow my business that will teach you the steps to take action. And I will see you all in the next one.